Another day and another day trading scammer screwing people out of money on YouTube. So this guy is a confirmed scammer. I've talked about day trading before. Now, if you want to day trade personally, okay, you can do that, right? But the majority of people, the odds are against you. The majority of people will lose money. And I'll prove it to you. Even this guy knows it in this video. I'll prove it to you. But this guy right here, Michael Perinotti, I think is his name. He runs True Trading Group, about to hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. This is the lawsuit. This is where he was sued by the SEC. We'll cover all of this. This guy is a confirmed scammer. And as I am making this video, he is currently doing a live stream trying to screw people out of money. So let's go ahead and break all of this down. So this is his channel, like I said, True Trading Group. The guy's name is Michael Edward Perinotti. I think I said that right. This is him right here. As I've talked about in the past, the whole point of these channels, it's not to teach people how to day trade. It's to get people to buy overpriced courses, because that's where the real money is. It's not teaching people. It's getting people to buy your scammy course. Now, if this guy, could make millions of dollars a year day trading, he would just do that. He wouldn't need all the pressure and time and effort to make this course, operate it, run it. It takes a ton of effort to run a successful course with hundreds or thousands of people in it. He would just day trade. But he knows the real money is selling his overpriced course, which is currently going for $2,000. You're getting a great deal, by the way, because normally it's $5,300. But it's currently going for $2,200, and he also has a really scammy offer with this laptop, which we'll cover in this video as well. But this is the entire point, getting people to sign up for the course when he knows the majority, if not all people who sign up for his course, will lose money day trading. Okay, so let's go over some of the facts in this case. This guy right here, this is his LinkedIn page, Michael Edward Perinotti, right? And you can see True Trading Group, that's the name of the YouTube channel that he runs. It's right here. And what it doesn't show is something involved in this lawsuit, which is MIDAM Ventures. Michael Perinotti, this is him. He was the owner of MIDAM Ventures. He no longer has that on his LinkedIn page. However, he didn't cover his tracks all the way. If you click contact info, he will actually have the link to this company, which is MIDAM Ventures, right? So this is his company. He was the operator of this company. He took it off his LinkedIn page because he doesn't want to be associated with the lawsuit that he was involved in. But he was actually the owner of this company. Now, if you actually scroll down and go over the summary, it'll actually tell you exactly what happened. So these proceedings arise out of respondents' misconduct during their promotional campaigns for 10 microcap companies from July 2015 to August 2018. During the relevant period, respondents concealed they were buying and selling the shares of the issuers. They were subjects of the promotional campaigns in the public market through accounts they secretly controlled to create actual or apparent active trading volume, with the exception that the increased volume would induce other investors to purchase or sell the securities, which would thereby demonstrate respondents' successful promotional efforts. Through their actions, respondents engaged to manipulate trading in violation of Exchange Act Section 9A2. Also during the relevant period, Heimann published certain online articles promoting 6 of these 10 stocks and failed to accurately disclose that he was compensated to promote these stocks in violation of Securities Act Section 17. So basically what that says is they ran a bunch of websites and they told people, we're going to give you alerts about which stocks to get in because they're about to blow up. And what they didn't tell these people that were trying to get these stock tips is they were actually in contact with these small cap companies, these micro cap companies. And they said they contacted these companies like, hey, give us, $20,000 worth of shares in your company. We'll promote it. We'll get this stock to pump up massively, right? So they would get the stocks beforehand, and then they would start trading them to create volume in these microcaps, because these microcaps don't have a lot of volume in daily trading. So they would create the trading, and then they would tell this to other people. Look, guys, this stock is blowing up. You should get involved in it. Now, the other pages show exactly how much they had to pay. Collectively, between the two guys, there was 2 guys involved in this, Michael and his friend Adam as well. They were both associated with this. They had to pay over $700,000 to people that they scammed in this venture, right? And they had to shut down their business. So the MIDAM Ventures no longer operates because of the scamming that they were doing. And both of these guys, Adam Heimann is actually part of True Trading Group as well. So they decided to start a new venture, a new scamming group, try and get people to invest in their day trading courses. We'll teach you exactly how to day trade from 2 very successful scammers who got sued by the SEC. Now, I will have a link below to this filing if you want to check it out yourself, but this guy is a confirmed scammer, got sued, had to pay, $700,000. And this guy has, a long rap sheet of a lot of information that you can't really verify about him. So he also has a Seeking Alpha right? And on here, it says he received the recipient of Trader of the Year Award in 2008. Now, I've done a bunch of research on this guy, looked all up and down about this guy, and I can't find any record of any Trader of the Year Award in 2008 for Mike Perinotti. So I don't think he actually got it. Now, it's just my opinion. Mike, I'm sure you will see this video eventually. If you actually did receive that award, my contact information is below. I would love to see some information about it. I don't personally think you ever got that award. I think you're making a lot of this stuff up. Now, from there, let's get into his actual scam, which is his course. This is his course offer, which is really interesting. But first, let's go to the main page. This is True Trading Group. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and you will find the disclosure page. You click on it, and what's really interesting is if you scroll down, you will actually see that right here, it shows you the evidence that pretty much everyone who day trades lose money. So this is an article I actually mentioned in a previous video, right? For example, 2019 concluded that 97% of day traders who traded at least 300 days between 2013 and 2015 in the Brazilian equity future market, blah, 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 lost money. 0.4% earned more than $54 per day, and the top individual earned only $310 per day, right? And it lists a bunch of other articles proving that day trading is not going to work for you. Pretty much everyone who does it is going to lose money. The very few people that make money make about minimum wage doing it, right? Now, this guy has this all posted on his disclosure page. However, he never actually talks about it on his channel. He never talks about how, it's super difficult, you're probably going to lose money. Pretty much everyone loses money. Never talks about that. But this guy has learned from his mistakes. He's been sued before. He does not want to be sued again. So he makes sure to put all of this disclosures on his page, right? If you go to the channel, he talks about how he's made so much money. He's going to make you a ton of money, right? And so people get excited about this. They want to sign up. They want to make a ton of money. But on the disclosure page, the truth comes out. The truth that he knows no one's going to make money doing this. The real money is selling the course. And that's exactly what he is doing. Now, on his actual page, this is his offer that he's currently offering to people, right? He says that his course is currently $5,300, but it's on sale for $2,200. And this is a common scam that a lot of these gurus run. It's always on sale, so you look like you're getting an amazing deal, but it's always on sale. Now, what's really interesting, if you don't know anything about courses, there's really not a lot of money involved in actually creating this course. And then once it's actually created, it basically costs $0 to sell it to more people because there's no physical product involved in the course. It's just a bunch of videos that he recorded. So you can sell it to hundreds and hundreds of people as opposed to a physical product. You have to constantly buy more materials to build your physical product to sell to more people. So there's literally no cost involved into selling this as many people as he wants. So keep that in mind. Now, this course, he's currently offering a brand new free laptop, right? All you got to do is pay him $2,000 and you get a free laptop. Now, his audience might not be very intelligent. I'm assuming most of my audience is intelligent enough to know that this is not a free laptop, right? The course cost him basically nothing to sell to people. So he is taking about $200, and I actually found this laptop. You can find it on Best Buy. It's currently going for $169. So he's taking the $2,000 that people pay him, and he's just taking, less than $200 of that and buying a laptop and sending it to people. So you are not getting a free laptop. You are paying $2,200 to get a $200 or $169 laptop. That is the biggest, dumbest scam I have ever seen on YouTube, and people are gobbling it up. He's currently going over on his channel. It's still going live. He, at the start of the video, said, we only have 15 of these free laptops, guys. You got to get involved now. 15 free, 13 free. I think right now they're at like 11 laptops left. So you got to sign up so you can get your free laptop, your $2,200 laptop, and get involved in this course. Now, as I said, day trading is not profitable. Like I said, he even shows it on his own website, on the disclosure page. You're not going to make money. He says it, it's flat out, right? The whole point of this, like I said, is the real money is in selling these courses. There's basically no cost to make the course. Sell it for $2,000. And you only get 1 year access. This is not even like lifetime access. You get 1 year access to the course for $2,000. It's just a complete scam. I've gone over this in the past. There's other scammers, Warrior Trading, Humbled Trader. I've covered all of these people. They all know that the real money is in selling the courses, not teaching people how to day trade, or they would just do that themselves. Now, this guy is a confirmed scammer. unlike Humbled Trading, who's actually never been sued, Warrior Trading has been sued. They got sued for, I think, like $1 million. And this guy has been sued as well. So I'm curious, anyone who is fans of this guy right here, True Trading Group, Mike Perinotti, I'm curious why anyone would want to buy a $2,000 course from a guy who is a confirmed scammer. Got sued by the SEC for basically blatant manipulation, you know, getting these free stocks and then promoting it to people. Hey guys, you should get involved in this company that paid us to say you should get involved in it. I'm curious why anyone would want to get involved with this guy. But apparently a lot of people are, because his channel is growing quite well. I think a few months ago he had like 70,000, currently at 95,000. I'm sure he will hit 100,000 very soon. But yeah, this guy is a complete scammer, and I'd love to know your thoughts as to why anyone would actually support this guy.